The number of people getting COVID in Denver is rising, and Mayor Hancock wants to warn that this disturbing trend could force new restrictions on restaurants and businesses. Our Sean Chitness is live tonight with more on what the mayor wants to see in the days ahead. Sean?
Well, Tori, Mayor Michael Hancock is essentially saying we need to go back to what we saw at the beginning of the pandemic. That's how much of an issue it is. Try to stay home as much as possible, as if we were under that initial stay-at-home order. He's worried about the rise of cases and hospitalizations that are happening in just the last week, and he's suggesting that we are in trouble of going above that crucial 5% positivity rate. So this change in tone that we're hearing about is because what we saw back in the spring are the same numbers we are now seeing today that were the case in March and April. The current 7-day average is as high as the peak back then. Hospitalizations are up 37% in 1 week, and the positivity rate is above 4%. The World Health Organization has said for anyone to be open, the positive rate should be below 5%. The mayor specifically pointed out the impact on restaurants and the challenges of remote learning for families who need to send their students to school.
And so many businesses right now are struggling just to stay open. That would mean absolute devastation to those businesses. For working parents, it could mean having their kids back to full-time remote learning. And not every parent has the benefit of working from home.
So again, the mayor wants to remind everyone of the essentials. When you're coming into contact with other people, close contact, you should be wearing a mask, and then in general, avoiding large groups. But again, today, he really went a step further, asking everyone to stay home as much as possible. He also explained that the city is concerned about flu season already, worried about the impacts on hospitals and just in general to fight the flu and the pandemic together. Live tonight in downtown Denver, Sean Chitness covering Colorado First.